Mm. Man, scratch these lames. I'ma make it straight to the Hall of Fame. So get out my way. You're moving too slow. We checking in the fast lane. We got zero time for some games. Hello, I'm Shawty. Now it's time for some brain. Don't like what I'm saying? Hop off this beat, cause I'ma be saying it. Yeah, all day and all night. Mess with me, we gon' put up a fight, man. Cause I'm chillin' with Vava 772. No, you can't holla. Go ahead. About to let Prissy rip the beat, man. And if you wanna talk to me, at _ Shawty.
They call me Miss Prissy. Don't forget the P. It's after the ussy. No, right before. It's right before O. He said, oh girl, you can get the dough. Right before the E, but behind the D, dough. I fuck with Mo. Shout out. Fuck with his music. He's good as fuck. I fuck with the baddest bitches with the butts. They got the fat ass. They got the good money, but they don't collect another nigga's ass. And they don't fuck with another bitch's cash, cause she get her own. He get his too. And I fuck with the bitches in the 772. Shout out to Nikki, that's my boo.
Ay.
Shout out to my sissy, that's Keisha. And Shawty right here, she got a good butt. I fuck with the baddest bitches here. They look cute, they got a fat rear. I am cute, I like a little poop in my butt. I got that good juice, kinda like Snapple. Oh my gosh. It's light in here and I'm sweating my butt cause I'm repping the CHS. I went there and I look good in his Jet Z. He looked good. He liked my teeth. I said, oh boy, you can get it in me. The Y-N-E. CMB, I fuck with Mr. Weezy. Follow me. Prissy _ That's me. I'm bad too. My bitches too. We is the crew. Yeah, Weekend was singing about us. I'm finna stop. I gotta catch these bus.
You killed it. I
Yeah,
had like
I'm a
3
zone. I
lines.
fuck with the bitches. They look so good and they wear that pink toe. That's a bag. Shout out to Michael Kors. I had that ass.